Central Bank's new NPA resolution framework, banks were required to resolve any account over 2,000 crore rupees. That is the 27th of August. Failing resolution, they have to refer these accounts for insolvency proceeding at NCLT. At this point, we are given to understand close to 70 accounts could be referred to NCLT under IBC norms, and the quantum of these loans collectively could be over 3 lakh crore rupees. In fact, I've been interacting with bankers today as well, and they tell me that they have 2 more weeks before which they have to formally refer these accounts to NCLT and are looking to make a last-dash attempt to resolve many of these accounts. There are certain deals they told me about that are hinging on being closed at this point, which haven't been formalized but are very close to resolution. In fact, we have reported some such cases to you that include the likes of the Jhabua power plant, which belongs to Avanta Group, and also KSK Mahanadi. So it remains to be seen whether these will be closed within the 2-week framework that banks now have, failing which, of course, they'll be referred to IBC. To remember was the day when all the bankers met. It was the 71st AGM meeting of the IBA, and the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley also addressed the bankers. As far as the FM's address to bankers is concerned, he highlighted the importance of banks and also stressed on how important the IBC was going forward and how it proved to be a game changer, changing the equation of debtors and creditors going forward. And more importantly, he stressed that the decision-making of powers of bankers should be respected, and they should not be subjected to punishment should the erroneous decision without any criminal intent be proved. And in fact, he highlighted that banks should be given more autonomy as far as deciding on the resolution of these assets is concerned.